So welcome back in the continuation. So this is Azure Administrative and Cost Boundary. So this is a management architecture for Azure. So the terms I'm going to use here would be Azure point of view, would be from Azure point of view. You can relate my previous video that I told you that, like, first of all it would be an owner account. Whatever I'm calling it, it doesn't matter. It would be a matter whatever on the whatever platform I'm working. So here there would be several division under an owner account, and that under that division there would be several locations, and on those several locations there would be several functions assigned. Now here, as please try to relate with the generic architecture, I told owner account first of all. So if I'm talking from the terms and the words used in Azure portal, that is normally called it as root management or a root account, and tenant. In one way you can use a word tenant. Organization account. Now here what happens, whenever you are going to register any name there, you will have a kind of link, or I can say like I'm going to register one adtech company. So adtech is the name. It would be adtech.onmicrosoft.com. That would be my tenant. Okay, it's not the case with all the cloud platform. Now I'm not talking in the generic way. I'm talking only from the like on behalf of Azure, right? Here you can see one costing, and here you can see the owner, like root account, right? So my tenant would be edtech.onmicrosoft.com or techpledge.onmicrosoft.com. I would be leading a I could be leading a cost management here over my beneath or under the hierarchy working with me, right? After that, here comes, I have taken the same example from the generic diagram or the generic architecture. Here I am having training management group, I am having consulting management group, placement management group. I'm not calling it as a department anymore. I'm just mentioning here management group. It means under the owner account, under the organization account, under the tenant, under the root management account, whatever the departments comes, they are called management group. So the second level here is management group. Okay, so the further division here is the management group that can lead up to the different locations and different functions under the location. The training management group can have different division inside them. So that is something called subscription. Okay, and inside the subscription you have resource groups, and obviously inside particular resource groups you are using the resources. That is something from the Azure point of view. Now let's take an example. Okay, same with the consulting and same with the placement. I told you these are the further divisions and the locations. For example, in the training management group, I'm giving subscription 1, subscription 2. So it could be different locations now. Let's see that my training management group is there, and I'm working with different locations here. Let's say it is in South India. It is running by by South India. It is running by North India. So this subscription, they are using this subscription, another person or the member or the head of the particular department is using. Now inside this subscription, whatever the resource groups they are creating, and inside this subscription, whatever the resource group they are creating, and the particular resource group are being used for particular services and the resources inside the Azure portal, right? Let's say I'm having a billing here of kind of 1 crore, I'm just going ahead and see from which management group I'm having this 1 crore of cost. Let's say from here only I'm seeing it is 80 lakhs. So this the let's say this training management group is being handled by Aditi. So I will ask her. So she would search it out from which subscription the particular costing is being used, right? And then from these different locations or the persons who are handling these subscription, they would search it out with the further resource groups and the resources being used inside those resource groups. This is how the cost analysis would be very easy for me. And because I am the owner, I can assign particular, because I am the tenant, I am having the tenant, I can assign different roles and policies as per the departments. If I don't want to assign particular roles and policies to the training management group, that I consider that it should not be with them, it should be only with the consulting and the placement. It's up to me as an owner. If training management group does not want to assign any policies and the roles to subscription 1 or to subscription 2, it's up to them. Similarly, the underneath hierarchy works. So that's it. Keep me following up with the next management architecture over different cloud. So thanks.